Are you looking for a natural and effective way to boost your vitality and improve your overall well-being? Look no further than the Alpha Tonic. In this article, we will explore the reviews and benefits of the Alpha Tonic, helping you make an informed decision about this remarkable product. Whether you're seeking increased energy, enhanced cognitive function, or improved physical performance, the Alpha Tonic may just be the solution you've been searching for. The Alpha Tonic stands out from the crowd with its exceptional features and carefully selected ingredients. Each bottle of the Alpha Tonic is packed with a unique blend of high-quality natural compounds, specifically formulated to provide a wide range of health benefits. With its powerful combination of ingredients, this tonic aims to supercharge your vitality and support your body's natural processes. The secret behind the Alpha Tonic lies in its carefully selected ingredients. The tonic is composed of rare herbs and plant extracts known for their beneficial effects on the human body. These ingredients work synergistically to boost energy levels, enhance cognitive function, and improve overall physical performance.